Hi guys, this is Haysam, Seattle Engraving Center. Today we're going to talk about how you fix and flat up your diamond wheels. It's pretty easy. We learned it in the Grandmaster from Alex. You bring your diamond wheels, you need a grinder. Don't use the diamond side, only use the grinder side. And what you have to do, take it apart. It's very wavy right now. It's an old one. I have it about 5-6 years. And what I have to do is I hold it very light from the outside. Turn your grinder on. And you just touch it in the outside. Let's get the speed first. And you can see it start getting better. It's flattening up a little bit. One more time. You can see it's more flatter as I go. And it's extremely flat. It's brand new. You can use it again. It will last you for another 2-3 years. Thank you for watching.